It's one of these things that just upsets me when I look at a kitchen. Just why? Why would you do that? Hi, I'm Michael from Kitchen Cider and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to go over 5 of my kitchen design pet peeves. Now, these are things that really sort of grind my gears or just straight up bug me when it comes to kitchen design. These are things I've seen in kitchens online or in magazines or even old kitchens where I've gone out to measure them, some of the things that I've seen over the years. And this is just a bit of fun, so please don't take offense if you have any of these things in your kitchen or you disagree with me. It doesn't matter what I think, as long as you love your kitchen, that's what really matters. This is just for a bit of fun. So my first pet peeve is freestanding dishwashers. I think I've just lost my North American audience. This is definitely something I see more of in kitchens in North America, and I just don't get it. I'm really sorry, but I just don't get it. I know integrated dishwashers aren't really as much of a thing out there as they are here in the UK, but they really need to be. It's one of these things that just upsets me when I look at a kitchen, and I see it all the time in pictures online. You'll have a lovely kitchen with all your cabinets, and then there'll be this ugly stainless steel door just sticking out like a sore thumb. I feel like it really spoils the look of the kitchen, especially when it's not at the end of the run. When it's in between cabinets, it really sticks out at you. Just get an integrated dishwasher, get a cabinet door on it so everything blends in. It'll look so much better. My next pet peeve is having tall cabinets in the middle of a run. Just why? Why would you do that? I suppose it doesn't even have to be a tall cabinet, it could be a fridge freezer, just something tall in the middle of a run where you've got low cabinets either side. It just looks awful, it just breaks up the flow of the kitchen. And it's really not very practical separating the countertop of your kitchen either, walking around something like that. And I'll just come out and say it, I think it looks ugly. So yeah, keep your tall cabinets or your taller appliances at the ends of the runs or on a separate wall. Don't put it in the middle of your run. Pet peeve number 3 is an unbalanced kitchen, or where somebody's missed the opportunity to make a kitchen symmetrical or more balanced. Now, I've said it before on this channel, I'm an absolute sucker for symmetry. I love symmetry and balance when it comes to kitchen design. And I know not every kitchen can be designed to be perfectly symmetrical, but you can design a kitchen to be balanced, or try as best you can to look balanced. It's when a kitchen is unbalanced that it really gets to me and really starts to bug me. Or what's worse personally is when a kitchen could have been designed to be balanced or even symmetrical if they just stopped and thought about the cabinets and the layout that they're using. But instead they just seem to kind of throw in whatever cabinets would fit along the run as they're designing it, rather than stopping to think, okay, if we moved this over here slightly, that would mean we'd have space for this size cabinet here, and then they could balance, rather than just hodgepodge sizes. I think it bugs me more when it could have been made to be symmetrical or balanced and they've just not thought about it. Pet peeve number 4 is not having any drawers in your kitchen. This is one that I just find unbelievable. I don't know how you can function in a kitchen without having any drawers. But believe it or not, I actually lived in a house where the kitchen didn't have any drawers. Now, it was rented, so I didn't design this kitchen, disclaimer there, but there weren't any drawers. And it's the sort of thing you might not see straight away, but once you get in that kitchen and start using it, if there are no drawers, it's going to drive you absolutely mad. And in this kitchen, there really wasn't even one drawer, not one for your cutlery. Instead, we had this sort of basket on the countertop with all the cutlery in, which took up countertop space and just looked messy. So please make sure you put at least one drawer in for your cutlery, but really get more drawers in a kitchen. They're so useful, you really, really need them. Don't have a kitchen without drawers. And my last pet peeve is poor installation. So when the kitchen is just fitted really badly. So this is things like the kitchen not fitted level, or doors not aligned properly or grinding when you open them, missing end panels where there should really be end panels, things like this. It's when the kitchen just isn't installed properly. It really sort of breaks my heart when I see a new kitchen somebody spent a lot of money on and it hasn't been fitted properly, it hasn't been fitted very well, because as a kitchen designer I just spot these things straight away. So it really bugs me. Just taking that little bit of extra time can make all the difference. And I truly believe that a cheaper kitchen that's fitted well will not only look better but will last longer than a more expensive kitchen that's been fitted poorly. So it's really not always about how much you're spending on the kitchen. I think a good fitter can make all the difference. So there you go, that's 5 of my kitchen design pet peeves. And as I said, this is just a bit of fun, so please don't take offense. I'd love to hear from you and what your kitchen design pet peeves are, so leave a comment below. I think it'd be really fun to read through these. What are the things that really bug you when it comes to kitchens and kitchen design? That's all for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.